Oh my gosh. Two on.
Beautiful. So Drew, you're going to be fully attached here, obviously.
Yep.
You will
Okay.
be sat on the seat, but that's not what's holding you, not yet.
Okay.
So if it slides up your back at any point, it's...
Okay. Okay. Wow. See you, bro. See you, man.
Alright, Drew, one more photo to the right-hand side. Nice one. You're going to stick that camera out nice and wide? Nice one.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh! 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 Oh my gosh. She didn't even tell me. That is crazy.
So you're going to spin around and face me when you get there. Oh goodness.
That's not even. Three, four on. Oh, what am I sitting on? The little seat.
The same thing you said on last time.
You'll definitely lose it.
Oh, hey.
Alright,
Is she gonna tell us when we're dropping, or is she gonna do? No. Okay.
So bad.
you want me to
Let's
tell you
go,
when I'm
dude.
going to drop you?
Nope. Don't even tell us. Don't even tell us. Let's go.
Are you recording?
No,
Yeah. We went backwards. Upside down. Oh, the rain. Oh. Zai's got to do that. I know. That was amazing. I don't know how people do that with no hands. What? They told us to go no hands. I'm like, nah. Look at this.